The sun, a blazing ball of fire, bathes our planet in energy. Every second it delivers enough power to satisfy humanity's needs many times over. This incredible resource, solar energy, holds the key to a sustainable future. For too long we have relied on finite, polluting sources of energy. Fossil fuels have powered our world, but at a great cost. Climate change, air pollution, and resource depletion are stark reminders of our unsustainable ways. Solar energy offers a clean alternative, a way to power our lives without harming the planet. Imagine a world where homes, businesses, and vehicles run on the sun's energy. This vision, once a distant dream, is becoming a reality. As technology advances and costs decrease, solar energy is within reach for more people than ever before. It is a chance to break free from our dependence on fossil fuels and embrace a cleaner, more sustainable future. The journey from sunlight to electricity is a fascinating one, a testament to human ingenuity. It begins with the sun, our nearest star, and its incredible power. Sunlight travels millions of miles through space, carrying with it the energy to sustain life on Earth. This energy, in the form of photons, is what we capture and convert into electricity using solar panels. Let us explore the intricate process of harnessing the sun's energy, from the creation of solar cells to the integration of solar power into our homes and businesses. Solar cells, the building blocks of solar panels, are marvels of modern engineering. These devices, often made from silicon, have the remarkable ability to convert sunlight directly into electricity. The manufacturing process is precise and intricate, involving a series of steps to transform raw silicon into highly efficient energy converters. It begins with silicon, the second most abundant element on Earth, found in sand and rocks. The silicon is purified to an extremely high degree, eliminating impurities that could hinder its performance. This purified silicon is then carefully cut into thin wafers, forming the base of the solar cell. To enhance their ability to capture sunlight, these silicon wafers undergo a process called doping. Doping involves introducing small amounts of other elements, such as phosphorus and boron, into the silicon crystal structure. This alters the electrical properties of the silicon, creating regions with different charges. These regions, known as the N-type and P-type layers, form a junction where the magic of electricity generation occurs. Anti-reflective coatings are applied to the surface of the solar cells to minimize sunlight reflection and maximize absorption. Finally, metal contacts are added to the top and bottom of the cells to collect the electrical current generated. These completed solar cells are then assembled into panels ready to be installed and start generating clean energy. Solar panels, those sleek rectangular panels we often see on rooftops, are the workhorses of solar energy systems. They come in a variety of types, each designed to suit different needs and applications. The most common type is the crystalline silicon solar panel, which accounts for the majority of installations worldwide. These panels are known for their high efficiency and long lifespan, making them a popular choice for residential and commercial applications. Another type is the thin film solar panel, which is made by depositing thin layers of photovoltaic material onto a substrate, such as glass or plastic. Thin film panels are lightweight, flexible, and less expensive to produce than crystalline silicon panels, but they generally have lower efficiencies. They are often used in applications where space is limited or where aesthetics are a major consideration. Concentrated solar power (CSP) systems use mirrors or lenses to concentrate sunlight onto a small area, generating intense heat. This heat is then used to produce steam, which drives a turbine to generate electricity. CSP plants are best suited for large-scale electricity generation in sunny regions. Building-Integrated Photovoltaics (BIPV) are solar panels that are incorporated into the building envelope, such as roofs, facades, or windows. BIPV systems not only generate electricity but also serve as architectural elements, enhancing the building's aesthetics and functionality. The choice of solar panel type depends on factors such as budget, available space, energy requirements, and aesthetic preferences. The photovoltaic effect, a scientific marvel, is at the heart of solar energy. This effect, discovered in the 19th century, describes the phenomenon where certain materials generate an electric current when exposed to light. In simpler terms, it's the ability of light to knock electrons loose, creating a flow of electricity. Let's delve a bit deeper into how this remarkable process unfolds within a solar cell. When sunlight strikes a solar cell, the photons, tiny packets of energy that make up light, interact with the silicon atoms in the cell. These photons transfer their energy to the electrons in the silicon, giving them enough energy to break free from their atomic bonds. Remember the N-type and P-type layers we discussed earlier? These layers create an electric field within the solar cell. As the energized electrons are knocked loose, this electric field guides them in a specific direction, creating a flow of electric current. This direct current, DC electricity, can then be harnessed and used to power our devices and appliances. The efficiency of a solar cell, or how well it converts sunlight into electricity, depends on factors such as the type of material used, the quality of the manufacturing process, and the intensity of sunlight. The photovoltaic effect is a testament to the interconnectedness of energy and matter, demonstrating how light can be transformed into a usable form of energy.